W max? Hell no. Fuck Soraka, dude. She's going stats.
Got my ult now, so I can
Yeah.
fuck them up. Okay, I got Black Hole or Flesh Eater.
Black
Probably
hole.
get Black Hole.
Absolutely. What the fuck is this?
Time to test your metal, warriors, as Rel rides into the arena.
Try to grab a Mumu's dumbass.
Well done, Ian. Victory is earned by the
Yep.
decisive.
Perfect.
Stop!
What?
God damn it. You have to get both thresholds for Twilight's Edge, right? Come on.
Yeah. And then it alternates between.
Oh, so fucking shit.
It's fine. You just
So
do, yeah, just get anything. What do you at right now?
I need 80 more AP and 5 more AD.
Yeah, so just get one more AD item and then just get like Death Cop or something.
I get Gunblade. Yeah, do that actually.
Gunblade too, yeah, would help.
We spare no expense.
He's on event too, so it works.
Probably go for Garen here. pussies. Oh, I got quest steal your heart.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, I got a haircut. Wow, you got a facial? Wow. Wow. Alright. Okay.
Defeat. The round is over.
Alright, whose badass am I gonna be picking up here?
Selection stage.
Gunblade him, gunblade him, gunblade him, gunblade him.
Hold on, I'm coming. Fuck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Total healing. Not following there.
What? Who's yours?
No, this fucking nigger.
You got fucking Apex. Oh, what a. Oh, goddamn, bro. Apex round 1 got redemption, Heartsteel, and thing. That's crazy.
It's all good. I'm gonna get something for them. Let's see. Yep, I'm gonna be getting Thornmail right now. You need like a item to make you a little tankier.
What? Some guy?
Yeah.
Oh, he has a ranged attack, by the way. They both gonna attack hella fast.
That's fine.
What the fuck is that?
Alright. Get out of here. Guess I just gotta play somebody easy. I'll just keep playing Master Yi on repeat.
No, I mean, it's just fucking bad. Like, it's such a shit augment. This is so shit. Like, I don't know, bro. Seth's like second highest win rate, but like you have to get good shit with him.
Yeah, like why can I not surrender when we lose the round? Like, this game's made for by fucking niggers, and I swear to God if Vantro joins in here I'm gonna kill myself. Like, just adding that on to all this, just mind-boggling. Why can we not surrender?
Yeah.
Well, let me. Oh, now it will. Thank God.
Alright, come on, dude.
Getting cooked right now.
On stats.
Yep.
Poppy. First time Poppy?
Nah, I just hadn't played arena in a while.
Ah.
Patience, friends. Our fighters will return soon enough.
60. Fuck it, I'm
That's
taking
pretty
it.
good.
Hmm. Hmm. Nah.
For our prosperity and yours. Chop chop. Your heads are on the block. Engage!
The shields are crazy, bro. This is insane. What are these shields and heals? This is crazy, dude. What an OP fucking champion. What a fucking OP champion. Fucking Karma.
Get your ult back, Poppy. Your karma's fucked.
Karma's crazy.
She has so long on her ult, so she should have saved the bug.
Round lost.
Alright, over here.
The weapons make the warrior.
What the fuck is this doing for Apex Adventure? This?
Reckon!
What the fuck is this guy doing? You can't blow me up, buddy. Please, Poppy. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Bro. Please, Poppy. Holy.
Raptor won the round.
Nice. What is TF's thing with stats? What is his passive or something?
Yeah, so he receives bonus gold when damaging enemy champions equal to random amount between 2 to 8%.
Oh, so the more damage you do goes crazy actually
Yeah.
later on.
Exactly. I don't want to go to Mord. Should we go to Mord? Alright. And it's me.
Speak not his name. A vile spectre of death haunts the reckoning pits.
Damn. What the? Look at this Olaf. That's slow cooker though. What the fuck? He's dog shit. What a waste.
What the fuck?
Building all attack speed.
Teeth, warriors. The need for restraint is over. Battle.
Oh my god, bro. Lao is so fucking insane, dude. What the? Oh my god. No! How? Get this, get this, get this, get this. Oh my god. Oh, I killed him. What the?
I launched him into the fire.
That's crazy. He died so quick in the fire though.
Yeah, he was low. And the breach stunned too,
Holy.
man.
My best defense is fucking auto attacking. Like, what the fuck? Need to get my shard holder race up. Maybe I should take the 60%. Well, let's see this round.
A moment of rest. And they say
Good amount,
Noxus
shard
shows
too.
no mercy. Gather up your coinage, fighters. Let's add some gold to the pot.
70.
There you go.
There it is. You think I would almost one-shot Tristana now? I might just ult on her. I think I can.
Fucking tank to engage, bro. You forget she has a tank as well. It's gonna stun you. Don't do the greed. No.
No, no, no. Not this. Oh, it's 1v1 anyways. Oh my god. No! No! Health, come up, bro! Fucking health is taking so long to come. Are you serious? Bro, what the fuck is that? It literally took a fucking year for this health to come up, bro. Oh,
Team Raptor won the round.
that's crazy.
You got revived the last possible tick as well.
I know, he didn't die. For some reason, Tristana, I don't know if she was attacking him or what the fuck that was, but...
And what healed her there too? After she revived you.
Spirit Visage or something?
But
Oh, she has tankage, I didn't even see that. What the hell? Oh, nice. That's what I like to see. Oh, wait, same team or different team? Oh, this is Orin and Tristana, this is Sejuani.
Is there a point by start item, really?
Yeah, it's really good, effective cost for the money. Oh, prismatic, what the fuck?
Take damage, no.
Right.
I mean, I'll buy a eventually, but... Oh my god, the cease. Fuck, man. Like he's so big, I can't even attack Justana, bro. What the fuck? Okay, we're cooked here.
Yeah, she was frying him, Poppy alone.
Feels got attack speed. Not doing shit though, not doing any damage for some reason. What the fuck is this? What kind of build is this? Alright. Well, this is it.
Not that healing. Oh, I got your chopping.
Yes, fucking sentry gun it. It's funny.
Look, I need to kill fucking this bitch here. Should I buy Bork or should I can buy 2 items? I think IE.
Prismatic?
Blade. Nah. Can't risk it.
What if you went Gizmo's ANVIL?
What?
Gizmo's ANVIL and Bork.
What is Gizmo's end blade? Oh, Ginsu?
Rage Blade.
I hope I get Triss, bro. I'll fucking blow her up.
Yeah.
Her range is kind of scary.
Fuck, man. Why'd I get this guy?
Nice. No.
Oh. Yeah. You're bad. Oh yeah, you're sorry.
Nice.
Won the round.
What? Fuck.
You got rolls, don't you?
No, I'm 4 gold away from picking an item, but I gotta go. Fuck. Should I take GA? I needed a... What's it called? The damage item. Mortal Reminder.
Victory is earned by the decisive. Begin.
The fuck?
How do you run that fast?
Tap answer.
Oh. Oh, he's annoying. What the fuck? Die, bro. Oh my god. He's like, no. He watched it. He watched it go away in front of his eyes.
The ultimate flex.
Man's recording his video, bro.
It's true.
Alright, get that Reaper.
Full stacks.
It's crazy how we had Rel 2 I didn't buy prismatics, so what the hell? Hell yes, brother. My G is still up too, right? What the fuck?
A selection from our wealthiest warlords. Spoils of war, now yours to wield.
Yeah, I'll cook this team probably with
2000 health, what the fuck?
Welcome back, your reckoners. Fight for your lives.
Oh my goodness. Whoa! Oh, waggy.
What the fuck? What the? He got me. Oh shit. Those jokes.
easy.
I ain't me.